Did you know that nearly 50% of heart attacks occur in people with normal cholesterol levels? That's right. High cholesterol is called a silent killer for a reason. It quietly builds up in your arteries, creating blockages that can lead to sudden strokes and heart attacks. But here's the good news: you can reverse it. If you've been told that your cholesterol is high, or if you're worried about heart disease, don't panic. In the next 3 months, you can cleanse your arteries, lower your cholesterol naturally, and dramatically reduce your risk of a heart attack without dangerous medications. Stay with me till the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal a powerful yet simple routine that will clean your cholesterol, open up your arteries, and boost your heart health like never before. Plus, I'll expose a huge myth about cholesterol that your doctor might not be telling you. So, let's dive in. Your heart health depends on it. The shocking truth about cholesterol. Most people believe that cholesterol is the enemy, but what if I told you that your body actually needs cholesterol to survive? Yes, that's right. Your liver produces cholesterol because it's essential for hormone production, brain function, and even digestion. But here's where things go wrong: when you consume too many unhealthy fats, processed foods, and sugars, your body overproduces bad cholesterol, also known as LDL cholesterol. This cholesterol sticks to your artery walls, forming thick, waxy plaques that narrow your arteries and restrict blood flow. Over time, this buildup triggers inflammation, increasing your risk of a sudden heart attack or stroke. The worst part? You may not feel any symptoms until it's too late. But don't worry. I'm about to show you exactly how to flush out this deadly cholesterol buildup, repair your arteries, and bring your heart back to peak health in just 3 months. Let's get started. The hidden dangers of healthy foods. You might think you're eating healthy, but did you know that some so-called healthy foods can actually raise your cholesterol and damage your heart? For example, low-fat yogurt, breakfast cereals, and even some vegetable oils are marketed as heart-healthy, but in reality, they are loaded with hidden sugars, trans fats, and preservatives that trigger inflammation and increase LDL cholesterol. The real enemy isn't cholesterol itself, it's inflammation. Chronic inflammation makes your arteries stiff and damaged, allowing LDL cholesterol to stick and form dangerous plaques. If you want to clean your arteries, you must reduce inflammation first. So, what should you eat instead? Get ready, because I'm about to share the ultimate cholesterol cleaning diet that will flush your arteries, balance your cholesterol levels, and protect your heart. The cholesterol cleaning diet that saves your heart. 1. Eat these superfoods to flush out cholesterol. There are certain powerful superfoods that can literally melt away cholesterol deposits and prevent plaque buildup. The best part? You don't need any expensive supplements. These foods are easily available. The first one is garlic. Studies show that garlic lowers LDL cholesterol by up to 15% while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol that cleans your arteries. Just 1 clove of raw garlic a day can work wonders for your heart. Another superfood is avocado. It's packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Plus, it contains potassium, which keeps your blood pressure in check. But that's not all. Chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, and extra virgin olive oil are also cholesterol-fighting warriors that will help unclog your arteries naturally. 2. The magical drink that dissolves cholesterol. You're probably wondering, is there a drink that can flush out cholesterol fast? The answer is yes. There's a powerful cholesterol cleansing drink that has been used for centuries to keep the heart healthy. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. A pinch of cinnamon. 1 glass of warm water. Mix these together and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Apple cider vinegar helps dissolve cholesterol deposits, while lemon and cinnamon reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. Drink this daily, and you'll start seeing amazing results within weeks. The deadliest food you must avoid. Now, let's talk about the biggest cholesterol killer, a food that secretly clogs your arteries and raises your risk of a heart attack. It's none other than processed vegetable oils like soybean oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil. These oils are highly processed and contain dangerous trans fats that increase LDL cholesterol and trigger heart disease. Instead, switch to extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil, which are much healthier and support heart function. Also, stay away from processed meats, deep-fried foods, white bread, and sugary snacks. They're all silent killers that lead to dangerous cholesterol buildup. The secret exercise that melts cholesterol. You've probably heard that exercise is important for heart health, but did you know that certain exercises can literally melt away cholesterol deposits in your arteries? One of the best exercises for lowering cholesterol is high-intensity interval training, HIIT. This involves short bursts of intense activity followed by a brief period of rest. Studies show that HIIT can increase good cholesterol by up to 20% and burn belly fat, which is linked to high LDL cholesterol. Here's how you can do it. Sprint for 30 seconds. Walk or rest for 1 minute. Repeat 5-10 times. Doing this just 3 times a week can supercharge your heart health and cleanse your arteries fast. The power of deep sleep for a healthy heart. Did you know that lack of sleep can raise your cholesterol levels? Studies show that people who sleep less than 6 hours a night have higher LDL cholesterol and a greater risk of heart disease. When you sleep, your body repairs damaged arteries and regulates cholesterol levels. That's why getting 7-9 hours of quality sleep is crucial for heart health. To sleep better, try turning off screens an hour before bed. Drinking chamomile tea. Sleeping in a completely dark room. Deep sleep is just as important as diet and exercise when it comes to keeping your heart strong. Now that you know how to cleanse your cholesterol and prevent heart disease, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these powerful superfoods, drink the cholesterol cleansing tonic, avoid dangerous processed foods, and exercise smartly. If you follow this for 3 months, you'll see a dramatic improvement in your cholesterol levels, blood circulation, and overall heart health. So, don't wait until it's too late. Start today. Your heart depends on it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. See you in the next video.